If you are a central government employee or a pensioner, here is something that will cheer you up, as there are a plethora of benefit schemes announced or likely to be implemented this year. The central government recently made several major announcements in order to give relief to its employees and pensioners amid this COVID pandemic. These key announcements are likely to benefit nearly 52 lakh central government employees and around 60 lakh pensioners. Let's take a look at the major 5 schemes that will benefit as many as 1.12 crore employees and pensioners. DR and DA restoration. The dearness allowance and dearness relief of central government employees and pensioners is stuck for the past 1.5 years, but the benefits are now expected to come by September 2021. Union Minister Anurag Thakur had earlier informed that the centre would restore 7th Pay Commission DA and DR benefits of the central government employees and pensioners respectively from 1st July 2021. However, that was again put on hold due to reasons unknown. Meanwhile, National Council of JCM, which is a Government of India recognized platform that fights for the cause of central government employees, said that the government is considering restoration of DA and DR benefits from September 2021. House Building Advance. The central government has updated the House Building Advance or HBA for its employees. This updated scheme will help all those employees who want to construct their own house. The central government had reduced the interest rate of HBA to 7.9%, and this benefit will be available till 31st March 2022. Pension benefits. The Finance Ministry has simplified the family pension rules for central government servants. As per the updated rules of family pension, benefits would be extended as soon as the death certificate is received. Eligible family member will no longer have to wait for other formalities or procedural requirements to be completed. Receive pension slip via email, SMS or WhatsApp. This comes as a big relief for the central government pensioners, as they are no longer required to go to banks for pension slips. With an aim to ensure ease of living for all the pensioners, the central government recently directed the pension disbursing banks to issue pension slips to the pensioners through their email, SMS, WhatsApp along with a complete breakup. The orders came into effect from 1st July 2021. Travelling allowance or TA. The centre recently made several announcements for retired government employees. Retired employees will now get 180 days time to give details of their travelling allowance or TA, as the government has extended the time limit for submission of travelling allowance claims from 60 days to 180 days. This new rule has come into effect from 15th June 2021. Bureau Report, OTV News.